Let me introduce you to the old-timer 34 Old T Middleman, a versatile three-bladed, pocket-friendly knife you'll carry with you day after day, selected for its strength and edge-holding ability. Each blade of the Middleman is forged from 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel. The 2 1/2-inch clip-point blade is perfect for when you need a tough, sharp point to pierce. The blade's fine edge provides plenty of cutting and slicing power. The 1 3/4-inch spade blade is super sharp with an edge you can shave with and works great for those cutting tasks requiring a high degree of control, such as notching or when there is limited space for blade movement. When conditions call for extra care, utilize the sheepfoot blade with its blunt, rounded tip. The absence of a sharp point ensures the blade's cutting force is directed only where you want it, perfect for carving. Each blade of the 34 OT is easily opened with the help of a nail pull and stays in place until the cutting task is finished through the use of heat-treated back springs. Two-tone saw-cut OT handle slabs attached to brass liners with 3 matching brass pins are handsomely enhanced by twin nickel silver bolsters and bears the proud old-timer shield. Just over 3 inches closed, the Middleman is pocket-sized, yet big enough to tackle any job on the farm. Designed to serve you every day, yet built for generations, this is the 34 OT Middleman pocket knife.
Let's go. Let's
This is the Armbar from Gerber. Sometimes a knife alone doesn't cut it. That's where this compact multi-tool comes in handy. It's designed to fit in your pocket, but the tool pack rivals that of a full-size multi-tool. The Armbar features 8 tools, including a full-size plain edge blade that closes with a liner lock, pry bar, bottle opener, striking surface, and spring-loaded scissors. The Armbar Cork handles your camp kitchen needs with a corkscrew, a lever arm, foil cutter, and a can opener. The Armbar Drive is perfect for anything that comes up on the go, featuring a 2.5-inch driver with a double-sided bit, as well as an awl. With the Armbar Cork and Drive, you have everything you need to upgrade your pocket.
This is the Schrade ST1N 21-function multi-tool, one of 2 models in the ST1N Tough Tools series. This compact multi-tool is crafted from tough, corrosion-resistant 2CR13 stainless steel. and is designed to offer you access to its assortment of implements with or without opening the plier head. Nail nicks provide a handy means of accessing many of the tools. Swivel each tool into position as needed for use. 4 of the tools, large screwdriver, heavy-duty field saw, dual-edge knife blade, and Phillips head screwdriver, lock when opened to provide increased safety and stability during use. To release, press down on the raise tool in the center with your thumb. This releases the locking mechanism, allowing you to fold the implement back into the handle. To access the needle nose and regular pliers, vise, and wire cutter, grip the bottom of each handle and swing open. To close, grip the handles and rotate them upwards. Other functions included in the ST1N are the cap lifter, can opener, scribe, awl, leather bore, metal file, wood file, measuring gauge, scraping blade, wire strippers, and lanyard attachment. A durable black nylon sheath protects the multi-tool. Slide the sheath over your belt or clip it to belt or gear. Designed with tactical, survival, and everyday situations in mind. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade ST1N 21-function multi-tool.
What tools do we use to mark the way? We mark time by days, weeks, and years. But the stuff we remember, the good stuff, we mark by moments. Moments where we're challenged and overcome. The kind that get dirt under our nails and fire in our hearts. We believe that every problem has a solution, and that every solution is a moment where we prove who we are. These are moments made.
This is the Lockdown from Gerber. If it takes up space in your pocket, it better do more than cut. The Lockdown has the ideal EDC formula: low profile, modern aesthetics, and solution-driven tools. It starts with a 2.5-inch plain edge blade with liner lock. You also get a replaceable number 11 utility blade and a file with a chisel edge. The Lockdown is offered in 2 different tool packs: drive and pry. The Lockdown drive includes a driver with a double-sided 1/4-inch bit and an awl. The Lockdown pry features a multifunctional cast pry bar with a bottle opener, large and small flathead drivers, and a nail puller. You also get a spring-loaded scissor. Whatever comes up on the trail or in town, you're a pocket away from solving it with the Lockdown.
This is the Schrade ST1NB Tough Tool. The Schrade ST1NB Tough Tool is a 20-function multi-tool for utility, worksite, and tactical applications. Weighing 8.1 ounces and measuring 7 inches when open, the ST1NB is made of black 2CR13 stainless steel and will effectively resist rust with mild upkeep. When closed, the 4 3/4-inch multi-tool can be stored in the nylon sheath and carried using the belt loop or belt clip. A set of pliers, needle nose pliers, a vise, and wire cutters are all located at one end, while all the other tools are stored inside the handles and are deployed by folding them out the back of the multi-tool. In the handles, you will find a wide variety of tools, including a cap lifter, a locking Phillips screwdriver, a scribe and awl, a leather bore, and a metal and wood file. Additional items include heavy-duty scissors, a scraping blade, wire strippers, a locking heavy-duty saw blade, a large locking flathead screwdriver, and a fine flathead screwdriver. The 4 locking tools of the ST1NB lock firmly in place when fully opened and are released by depressing the small rise on either the stored scraping knife or the stored Schrade. Designed for a wide variety of daily, worksite, and tactical applications, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade ST1NB Tough Tool.